Welcome to Edinburgh, I'm Robert and I'll be your guide on this tour of one of the most interesting burial grounds in the country. This short video will answer 4 questions you might have about this kirkyard exploration. Why should I spend all this time in one graveyard? Well, it's a great question. Greyfriars Kirkyard is one of the prettiest and most scenic burial grounds in the country. But for history lovers, it's a lot more than simply what you see today. This tour is a collection of stories about the people who are buried in Greyfriars Kirkyard. You have to remember, these were people who lived and died in Edinburgh. Their story is the story of Edinburgh. From rebels to powerful nobles, from murderers to the murdered, and so many of the people here altered this nation's history. Of course, we've got the story of the faithful wee Skye Terrier, Greyfriars Bobby. Greyfriars is a great place to immerse yourself in Edinburgh's history. Apart from seeing Greyfriars today, what else does this tour do? Well, there's an old saying that a picture tells 1,000 words. And throughout this tour, you'll see images that reveal how many of these people once looked. And the part I love about this is, remember, each story will be told just next to where these people's bodies lie buried today. Quite cool. Why else should I think about doing this tour? Well, this tour is a great way to learn about some of Edinburgh's most interesting people and historical events without actually having to do a lot of walking. This is quite a relaxing tour. There's not an awful lot of physical effort, which makes it great for anybody who's got mobility issues or who's already been out pounding the streets of Edinburgh. Greyfriars is a lovely place to walk around. In the spring and autumn, it's a very beautiful place. In the summer, it's very peaceful, and in the winter, really atmospheric. Is this tour any good? Well, Edinburgh is my hometown, so I've got a responsibility to both you and to my city. I'm very fortunate that my guests have responded incredibly favourably to this tour. We've actually only ever received 5-star TripAdvisor reviews for the Greyfriars Kirkyard tour. We won certificates of excellence in 2017 and 18, and I'd like to think that your time in Edinburgh is safe with me. Thank you for watching this video.